Alright. Hello. Okay, my computer does not want to stream right now, so nothing is loading. Jesus. I will try to stream, but my computer and internet are absolute garbage right now for some reason, and I can barely stream. Oh, that's nice. That's nice indeed. Alright. Hello. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Wow, nothing is loading. What do I want to do on this stream? I could work on something. What do I want to work on? I have my chess system. I could work on that. I could work on my chess system. I could work on my portal system. No, not portal. I could work on a bunch of things. What do I want to work on, though? What do I want to do? Well, I have nothing to do, really. I don't. We could... I don't know. I guess I could try to work on my chess system a bit, I guess. That's what I'll do. Chess. People want me to finish this game, so I guess I could. I could try to make the actual round system now. Or let me something I didn't do. Oh, I did do that. So let me see. What do I have to do with my chess system? Because everything is basically done for the most part. There's bugs I have to fix, but that's... I don't want a bug fix. That's annoying. That's annoying, bro. That's annoying. Alright. So... if I select this... okay, so pawn is working completely fine. Yep. Now we have... the... what's it called? The rook. The rook is working besides the bug, where he can go through parts. That's the issue with the rook. So if I, for example, move the horse, and I move the rook here, you'll see he could go through parts. That's the issue with the rook. The horse is completely fine. I love the horse. Horse is great. The queen has the same issue as the horse. It could go through parts, and same thing with the knight. Or not the knight. This is the what's the guy that can move diagonally? What's he called? The bishop. The bishop and the king and the queen all have the same issue with going through walls. How can I fix that? How can I fix that? I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure how I can fix that. So I could use raise, but raise... I could use raise. It's probably the best bet for me to do. So... where am I actually moving the player? So the player, I am moving... on piece. Yeah, I want to get the loading done, because the loading technically does everything. So can move. So we'll test this out first. So how am I gonna do this? Okay, I'm not sure how to do this. So I could cast a ray. I could do that. But honestly, I don't want to do that. Local, can, is, local can, what should I name this function? Can, teleport. Position or part? Part. So I guess I could do local ray is equal to ray is equal to crap. I forgot how to make a ray. Script help. Whoops. Script help. There we go. So array, here we go. So ray will be the origin minus direction. So the origin will be part the position. Surprised I don't know how to do this by heart now. We could do part.cframe.look vector and then times like 5, I guess. That's completely fine. Now ray hit, or we could just do hit. Ignore instance would obviously be the part. That's it. So now we want to type if hit, then front ray. So we could do front ray. We want back ray. That would be minus this. Front ray. Local right ray, or we'll do the right ray, which would be times right vector. And then we could obviously do the left ray. This is very inefficient, but whatever. Hello, welcome to the stream, Xvon. Xvon. I have no idea how to pronounce your name. Front hit. Sure, that could work. So front hit, and then we could do back hit, and then we could do right hit and left hit. That's alright. Left array, right array, and back array. Whoops. Back array. Why am I doing it like this? Whatever. I don't really care. So if front array front ray and front ray dot parent is equal to game dot workspace dot or is equal to pieces, then return true. Else else if we'll do back, or not back ray, back hit. This will be front hit. So this will be back hit or back hit. This will be left or right hit, And this would be left hit, left hit. Alright, otherwise we'll return false. So if can teleport, so we'll type if cannot teleport. So if table.find cannot teleport and moves target the name and target dot name, then we'll type if can teleport, if can teleport is equal to false, then we could. Or yeah, that doesn't make sense, does it? Oh well, that's programming in a nutshell. Bunch of text that doesn't make sense. Alright, let's test this out, I guess. Alright, let's test this out. So, pawns work completely fine. Now, if I try you... Oh, okay. Attempt to index no position. Right! I forgot to... Oh, some teleport script or something? No. Hello, welcome to the stream. So I know exactly what's wrong. So, if can teleport, target... If can teleport, target. There we go. There we go. Alright, so everything works now. That is very interesting. So if I move you... That is very interesting. So each one of these is 5 studs, right? 5 studs. Yeah. So if can teleport, so means if you can't, what if I do this? No, not script help. I want make ray visible. I think I have a script for that. Function for that. Make ray visible. Here we go. So let me test this out. So I want to make ray visible. Front ray, back ray, right ray, and left ray. Let's test this out. Check the look vector. What do you mean? Attempt to index now with origin. Ooh, that's wrong. Line 56 81. Line 81 is right. Oh, whoops. What to do? Right ray. Left ray. Not left head, right head. Alright, so this works and boom. So it is making the rays. Now, why can I go all the way here? That's interesting. So I can't go through my own team pieces. Oh, I can. Well, what is the length of the board? 5 times 8. That's 38, right? Calculator. 5 times 8, 40. So we technically want to make this 40, eh? Me playing. Do you even play chess, bro? Oh, me playing this game. Do you even play chess, bro? Bruh. Left ray is right vector. Yeah, I know. There is no such thing as left vector, so I'm doing minus right vector. Boom. Okay. So the rays are the correct sizes. Now, I could go here. This is so confusing. Left ray is right. No, left ray is right vector minus right vector. Just like how the back ray is look vector minus, just like it's minus look vector. There's no such thing as left vector. What? Do you want me to type left vector? Look. Look at this juicy error we're gonna get. It's gonna be a nice red error. So, I select here. Oh, look at that. Left vector is not a valid member of C-frame. What? Really? It's not. So, if... this doesn't really help, though. If... What if I just... What if I just do this, then... Break. Oh, and this is only the... Oh, Jesus. Play. Confusion to people who don't do script. Indeed, indeed. Alright. Interesting. So, this is so weird. This is very weird, to be honest. I did make it, so if it finds a ray, it should destroy it. Oh, no. If true, my bad. If true. It's because I am not fully full-time. I'm not a full-time scripter. I do script, but I don't really know everything about scripting. ×2. Black. Okay. Same issue. What? So, this is so weird. This is so weird. I have no idea. Should I just keep it in the game so you can teleport through stuff? This way I don't get copyright striked because it's original. Chess, but you can teleport. Chess, buddy, you can teleport. Gee, can I do something with this? So here we have all the possible moves. So Ooh. That's an issue. This is the bishop. I need the rook. Where's the rook? Rook. Whoops. Here we have all the possible rook moves, and then we have the... Yeah, okay. It's just not touching it by using the touch. Make sure what's not touching what. Alright, this entire ray idea I had was useless. So, something I could do... So... if find piece dot name is equal to king, then warn checkmate. Also, I'm pretty sure I could just do... I draw the horse. I can't move. Can I just try that? Would that work? Would this work? Okay, so first things first. Course experience. Course experience got nil. possible moves. Line 25. What on earth? Oh. Yeah, module.horse can't move. Whatever, doesn't matter. Checkmate. Alright, let's see if checkmate works. I mean, it won't do anything besides actually print warn checkmate. That's all it'll do, but it's a start. So, if I go here and here, boom. That's checkmate. Is this the king? That's the king. Whoops. Let's go here. Then we could go here. Checkmate. I killed your king. Bruh. King. I literally killed the king. Well, I guess checkmate doesn't work. So, if... That's an issue. Oh, I see why. Because that's the wrong team. There we go. That should fix it. I should fix it. I guess I'll work on the gameplay because I can't be bothered to fix the teleporting issue. So that's the king. Let me switch my camera. So if that's the king, I would want to go here. Boom, checkmate. There we go. So now if I go back... let me go like somewhere. How can I get back there? It doesn't matter. Let me see. So checkmate would be over. There we go. Checkmate. Okay, so so right now there's no like turn system. It's literally just go when you want. So if checkmate, then if checkmate, all right, let me make a remote event for checkmate. Or check. Sorry, not checkmate. Although that was a checkmate. I think, I don't remember. Game.replicated storage remotes game.replicated storage remotes check fire server. Check game.replicated storage remotes check onserver event connect function player. Alright, so we can do player set attribute check to true. Alright, I don't really want to work on chess. Does anyone have any ideas on what I should script? Do you want me to script well, what should I script? Alright, so over here I want to make a chess system. So if mouse.target mouse.target if mouse.target if other player get attribute check is equal to true, then if mouse dot target dot name is not equal to king, then return. Okay. So if I play now, other players not defined probably. Oh, well, I guess, okay. So if I get myself a check, which I could do by doing this. Boom, check. So now if I switch teams to black team, I can't move any pieces besides the king. Right. Now, so I literally cannot move any piece besides the king. Now, if I move my horse away, do I have to change it on the server? Right. If I move my horse away, what? Okay. Well, I guess other players also me, so yeah, that kind of breaks things. That breaks things a little bit. I'm both players, so it's a bit confusing to work with. So let me move. So this is the king. So if I move this out of the way, the king should be able to move. I'll also move you. So the king has 2 places to go. Now, if I switch teams to white team. Now, if I get a checkmate, there we go, checkmate, or check. Then, if I switch teams, I cannot click on any other piece besides the king. And the king, I could move. Perfect, so I can't move any piece, but I could move the king. Boom. So if I move the king, it should take me out of a check. So if I do move the king, else, let me format this document. So if I move a piece, which I would do over here, move piece. So just over here. So if other player, this is when I move a piece. So if piece.name is equal to king, then for other player if other player get attribute check is equal to true, then set it to false. There we go. So now if you have a check and you move your king, it's very basics right now, but it should take you out of a check. So currently, I'm going to move these two out of the way so I can move my king in 3 different places. A bunch more different places now. Oh, well, I technically got a check, so I have to move a king. So if I move the king, boom, check is over. But that wasn't really a fair thing. So if I change back to white team, if I go here, boom, checkmate. So there we go, we have check. So now if I switch back to black team, I cannot move any piece but the king. If I move the king, boom, there we go, I'm out of check. So now I can move any piece, and I could kill the horse, the knight. There we go, I got a check. How did I get a check? How on earth did this get a check? Did I just check my own I just checked my own team. Wait a minute. Can you check your own team? There we go, I fixed it. I have fixed that. Okay, alright. That's enough of chess. What else should I work on? Type in chat, guys. What do you think I should work on? What should I work on? Because I'm kind of bored of working on this chess system. Been working on it so much. Oh, damn, it's 4 a.m. Bruh. Alright, so anyone have any ideas what I should do? Uppercut? What? Let me actually take a look at my realistic bending. Realistic bending, where are you? Alright, so what were the keybinds? I'll figure it out. So I'm pretty sure with my realistic keybind bending, I made a water punch, and like a rock throw, and a rock wall. So let's see. G is probably earth wall. There we go. Oh, that's really cool. That is very cool, to be honest. Then we probably have Z, no, X, F, Q. Oh, Q. Bro. Is it E? There we go. We also have water bending. Honestly, kind of cool though. Press a certain keyboard to continue attack. POV, you are bad at coding. Yep, that's me. Client. Alright, let me take a look. So, this code is terrible. Absolutely terrible. But it works. And it's mainly just for visuals. So, that's all I care about. Either way. Does it actually damage an NPC or player, though? So it should actually work. So if I, well, it only would work with a player, so. All right. All right, well, if anyone is new here, and you're not subscribed, you make sure to subscribe so, you know, you could get notified. Oh, and turn on notifications so you could get notified, you know, when I upload a scripting tutorial. Because, you know, scripting tutorials are great. I'm also, if you did not know, I'm hosting a game jam with Roblox prizes. You could join my Discord. It's linked in the description to learn more about the game jam. If you don't know what a game jam is, it's basically when developers have to make a game about a certain genre in a limited amount of time. So for this game jam that I'm hosting, it's half a week, so 3.5 days to make a game, and I did not reveal the genre yet because the game jam didn't start. And everything has to be made from scratch in that time. So that's what a game jam is. Alright, I'll subscribe. I've been watching for like 5 minutes, but we've already thank you. Alright, so that's kind of cool. So I made it so when you bend on terrain, I really don't remember making this at all. Like, I don't remember how I made it, but it like adds a ground patch. I mean, it's pretty simple to do, I would assume, because I made this. Alright, so let's F for water, right? F-E-E. Water is so buggy, but that's just because I'm using actual Roblox water terrain, which is just terrible. We could oh. Thank you for subscribing, Ack. I totally ruined your name, didn't I? God, alright. What if I make like an earth? Alright, that's something I want to do. A realistic earth pillar. So I could just copy the earth wall code and just change it a bit. So that's what I'm going to do. So earth pillar. So I'm going to make the keybind B. I'm going to make the same exact thing basically. But instead of wall, we want a cylinder. Let me actually grab a cylinder. Do I not have a... I have a rounded cylinder. Wonder if that'll work. So let me see. So we'll have like... 5, 8, 5. That should be taller. 5, like 10, 5? Yeah, 5, 10, 5. Alright. Earth pillar. So let me see. So should this... So it should be anchored and collisions should be off. Okay. Okay. So here we'll do replicated source of earth pillar. Now the pillar should be root.cframe minus root.cframe dot up vector. I think up vector is a thing. Times 5 times 15. Oh, minus. Okay, so minus 5. Yeah. Or minus 10. My bad. And then we can do distance. What is distance? Distance is this. 10. Oh. Yeah. So set C frame is equal to root of C frame. Minus times 10. 1.5. Okay. And we'll do this. I'm just a bit confused what I'm doing right now. Alright, let me just try this out, I guess. I'll just try this out. See what happens. It's gonna completely break and not gonna work, but we'll fix it. We'll figure it out. I'll fix it. I'll figure it out, you know. Beat. Okay, that is kind of cool. It's like an earth crush. Interesting. So that is a cool move, but wrong thing. So it is positioning the right here. Clone.cframe. Clone.cframe is look vector. Whoops, that's supposed to be up vector. That should fix it, I think. RPG, but it's actually turn-based. Yes. Imagine. Alright, let's test this out. So, beat. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's pretty cool. It just doesn't... That actually worked, like, first try. I mean, there's definitely an issue. I'm getting stuck inside, but... Interesting. That actually worked. Yeah, that should be working. Okay. Yeah, earth pillar is size 10. So then I guess I could tween this could be a long shot, but the root position to C-frame, the root position plus vector 3.new. This would be like 15 maybe. Hey, that could work. Make it to where it spawns where your mouse is. Well, this is currently what I'm scripting is an earth pillar, so it's supposed to spawn under you and pick you up. That's what it's supposed to do. Oh, whoops, wrong keybind. And to press B. There we go. So that kind of worked. Let's try it again. B. Okay, so it worked a bit. I gotta make it myself a bit taller, though. Maybe like 20 studs up. Play. And also, this isn't meant to be like a real like system. It's kind of just meant to be cool. Like just visuals mainly, not actual bending. Infinite yield, nice. Roblox error. Error. B. Okay, that works perfectly. Oh, okay, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, let me make it a bit thicker. Because right now it's a bit small. If I do like 7, that should make it. All right. Oh, I love this. I love this. It is beautiful. It was always, the bending was always cool when I made it. It's always cool. The realistic bending. Oh my gosh, that's cool. That is cool. Alright, now if I use it over here, it should work completely fine, right? Okay. That's an it. I mean, it's an issue, but also whatever. Like, terrain. It's not meant to work on terrain perfectly. You know. Alright, I'm going to record a video for Twitter, so I'm just going to mute for a second. Alright, there we go. So, the feeling of accomplishment when your script to work the way you want it to. Yes, exactly. But this is just really cool. All of this is cool. The earth, the wall, the actual throw, like this. That's sick. It's like a moving, literally moving terrain projectile. That's sick. Even the water may be terrible, but it's still cool nonetheless. It's still pretty cool. It's not as good as the other ones, but it's still cool. Alright, let me tweet this. The video. Realistic. Alright. Cool. Alright, well, I'm not sure what else to script now. I'm not sure what else I should script. Okay, I have no idea what to script now. Alright, let's leave this studio. Let's save. Don't want to lose this. Alright. Trying to think with you right now. Then I'm putting my brain on overload. Dude, if you're overloading your brain, that means you must have the new water cooling. Did you get the new RGB NVIDIA water cooling 69420 installed? Alright, I'm not sure if there is anything else to do. I may just end the stream here. Maybe. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream, I guess. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I make great free scripting tutorials. And when you do subscribe, make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next scripting tutorials. Alright, well,